Here I am, 2.5 hours after finally fixing the broken stroller. My kids are finally out the door. Here's what's left of it. And I found out this was the culprit. There's a cable here that was actually working on the brake mechanism, and this piece tore off completely. I guess we used it a little too heavily, but that's what happens when you have kids. We are huge Baby Jogger fans. This is a Baby Jogger City Select Luxe. It's a double capacity stroller, which we use it for. And it's really a beautiful product, and they have a fantastic quality, and they have a lifetime warranty on their frame. They sent me a new replacement brake mechanism, the whole thing, at no cost, so big credit to them. A couple things that I noticed. This was a single point of failure, right? There was no way to just have a backup mechanism or some other way to brake because it all relied on this being intact, but this piece broke off, and so it did not work at all anymore. The whole brake was dysfunctional. So that was a bit of a struggle for me. Another struggle was as I'm kind of taking it apart, trying to put it back together, some things were not as intuitive, and I wasn't clear how to go about taking apart what needed to be removed and unscrewed, what should stay on, that kind of thing. This got me thinking about spreadsheets and how, as much as possible, try not to have a single point of failure, or at least have a backup or redundant mechanism or approach to solve the problem a different way, so that if one approach fails, you have a backup way of getting that same result, especially if it's an important project. Also, go through the process once of actually fixing something that's broken, something like a commonly, a common issue that might arise. Go through the process and see, here's a nice little step-by-step guide, and kind of either write it out or kind of bake in some clarity in all of your spreadsheets so that there's a clear indication of what needs to be removed, what doesn't, what should be changed, what should be static and leave as is. Hopefully that's helpful. Again, Baby Jogger, big fan, good stuff.